Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Word Origins 579. The word origin today is Kumbaya. Okay, if somebody wants a screenshot right now, let's go right to it. All right, we have two meanings, two uses. Here's the first one. Kumbaya is a spiritual song that is supposed to create a feeling of unity and harmony. Okay, let's continue. The term Kumbaya derives from a Gula Creole language spoken by the Gula people called Geechees. They were descendants of, U.S. slaves. They were an African-American community living in the coastal regions of South Carolina. The term itself, Kumbaya, is believed to be a corruption of come by here. Kumbaya, come by here. Okay, good. The song was later popularized by the pop group Peter, Paul, and Mary. And here are some of the lyrics of the actual song. And you've probably heard it before. There's a lot of repeating in the song, and we're just going to go over the main chorus. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. And then they repeat it 3 times. So Kumbaya, Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Kumbaya, my Lord, Kumbaya. Oh Lord, Kumbaya. You may have heard that before. Let's continue. Number 2, the term Kumbaya is also sometimes used in sarcasm. And we have one example of that. We are going on a spiritual retreat, but we are not going to sit around all day singing Kumbaya, just doing that. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.